Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're ready to introduce the guys which are going to be stepping up and entering the ring next Saturday. We have Dale Bird, veteran, and Dave Martindale. Come on, Dave, come and say this. Dale. So, Dave, yes. You're going to be stepping in with Dale Bird. Now, Dale Bird's had a lot of fights. Yes. How many fights have you had to date? Two fights, and what's your record on those? Did you come out victorious?
No.
So you lost both the fights?
No. One draw.
So are you going to make any differences this time? You're going to be coming there and walking away with that big W?
Hopefully, yeah, that's what I intend to do. So at the end of the day, I know he's got experience, but I believe at the end of the day it's going to be a big step up for him as well.
So have you been doing anything different this time compared to the times before, obviously, which you failed, to get that big W? Have you been up in the training, or do you just feel Dale's the person that's going to make you get that W?
No, at the end of the day, the decisions were always made out of my hands, so it was down to the judges, nothing to do with my performance in the night. So personally, I felt I'd win the fights. So yeah, I haven't changed anything up. I've trained as hard as I normally train. So yeah.
Well, we're certainly looking forward to seeing you in the ring and obviously putting in 110%. Tickets have been going off yourself, are they still available?
So for myself, I used to sell through the SMAF side of things, so yeah, tickets have been going alright.
So if you want to get tickets to come and see this gentleman taking on Dale Bird, contact all the guys at SMAF. Now Dale, obviously you've been in, 20 fights in Swindon. There's a lot of people saying that obviously you get put in with the newbies. What do you have to say to those people that maybe think that you're just like a sort of scapegoat?
Whatever. I'm just happy to fight.
So Dale, obviously, sort of 3 years ago when you first burst onto the scene, you were taking quite a few sort of losses and draws, but you have actually had a few wins now. You beat me dressed as Spider-Man or Batman.
Yeah,
so that was a massive win. But Dale, obviously you're trading down at the arena now. Things are going good. You're going in the right direction. What's people got to expect on the night?
Just the same as I usually can. Heart, big bollocks, and just want to fight.
And tickets there, obviously there's a lot of shows happening in Swindon. It's not always as easy nowadays as it used to be to sell tickets, but we do value every support, don't we?
Yeah, no, obviously it is hard for me because, like I said, I've had 20 plus fights now, so trying to get the support out week in, week out after every fight I have, it always gets a lot harder. But yeah, if people do want tickets, come at me and let me know.
Now obviously there's been sort of 5 or 6 different promotions in Swindon. This is the first time 2 sort of clubs have come head to head on the night. It's great for the sport, it's great for the town. Are you going to be taking a win away from SMAF and making a big W on the arena side?
Yeah, hopefully. I'd always want to do my gym proud just as much as I'm sure Dave does with SMAF. SMAF's a fantastic gym, kickboxing side and boxing side. So yeah, I'm hoping to say, but obviously it's a big step up for me, literally. It's like 6'7", so yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
So Dale, is there anything else you want to add before we move on to Dave's last words?
No, just same again. See you on the night, and yeah, let's go for it.
Same to Dave. Obviously, Dale's sat straight opposite. I'm not sure if you've ever met him before, but this is 1 week away now, and this will all be over.
Yeah. So yeah, no, I'm looking forward to it. Like I say, I truly believe, it's a good step up for Dale, and I'm looking forward to getting into the ring with someone with his experience as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. It's a big round of applause for both of these guys. Dale Bird and Dave Martindale. Dale Bird always comedian. Let's jump up on the stair.
I have to look down at me so I see.
Face out then, fellas.
See you soon.